Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Otterbox Defender for the Pixel 6 Pro. This is the regular Defender. The Defender Pro, which has the antimicrobial coating and the little lines on it, is also available from Otterbox on their website. Best Buy hasn't had any of these in stock since I've been able to check, and Otterbox was the only place I was able to find it in stock right now. So there we go. We have the little warranty thing right here, and we have the case right here, the instructions right here to put it on, but I'm going to show you guys that because a lot of you guys find these instructions kind of hard, especially if you've never had a Otterbox case before. So don't worry, I'm going to show you guys how you install that as soon as we get it out of the box here. Alright, so you just undo the clip there for the holster. And here is the case. One thing I'll show you with the holster real quick, a neat trick that a lot of people don't know, is it also acts as a stand. And the way you do that is you just push this all the way in until it locks. That'll stay folded out, and then you can put your case with your phone obviously in it, right there like that, and you can stand it up to prop it up to like watch a movie or whatever. You know, have your phone standing up. Then to release it, just push on the top here. I just hold it down here because that way it doesn't snap down and make, you know, a ton of noise. And then you can just flip your phone back around. So the screen is protected. It does go in there both ways. You can have it screen out or screen in. And boom, there you go. You're back to your holster. Obviously this rotates so you can clip it on however you wish. So there we go. Now to put this on the phone, it's quite simple. A lot of people, you know, just it's not very obvious, but a lot of people don't know this. The plastic does come off, or the rubber rather does come off. So basically just peel that away from the plastic inside, and then this separates. Don't try to shove your phone in here with this closed, it's not going to fit. So right here you'll see little arrows. You just need to go along and undo these little latches. Usually you can do about one side and sometimes like a corner, and then after that it will usually pop off. Not all of them do, but there we go. You can see I didn't have to do every single one of them, but most of them. And then it opens up. You put your phone down in the bottom. You take your top again. Usually most of them, depending on the phone, you'll be able to see a little ridge for like your speaker grill. That is your top. Also the clips only line up one way, so you can't put it on upside down. But that's the best way to line it up, is look for that little speaker grill cutout. Just go along, make sure all these are snapped back in. You kind of have to press every single one of them once the phone gets in there. Make sure those are back in. There's your piece right there. Take it. I usually insert the top first. I find works best on most devices. This installation will work for pretty much any phone. All these Otterbox Defenders come apart the same and go back together pretty much the same, other than a few differences here and there. So if you're following this and you have a Pixel 6 or, you know, some other kind of device, it will probably still work. And there you go, it is installed. You have your big camera cutout right there. You have your port cutout right here on the bottom. It is covered, and then you have your speaker and microphone grills, everything like that. There's no buttons on this side, but then you have your buttons right there. So there is your Pixel 6 Pro. Nice and protected. Like I said, you can clip it in there, screen down, so this protects the screen right there. Or if you want to have your screen out or want to use it in stand mode, you can also clip it in just like that. It has little attachment points on both sides for the holster. So that is the Otterbox Defender series for the Pixel 6 Pro. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.